यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, मैं गया जहाँ भी।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KQ Info. Today I am very excited to discuss a topic that's been on my mind for a while now. As a content creator and YouTuber, I have always been passionate about politics and the change we can bring about in our country. And today I want to talk about launching a new political party. We have seen politics in India for decades with the same old parties and the same old promises. But has anything really changed? Have you seen the kind of development and progress we deserve? I don't think so. That's why I believe it's time for a change and I want to be a part of it. The idea: imagine a political party that's not just about promises and manifestation, but about actual change. A party that's driven by the people for the people. A party that's transparent, accountable, and committed to the development of our country. That's what I want to create. The challenge. But I know it's not going to be easy. Politics in India is a complex game, and there are many challenges that we will face, from corruption to bureaucracy, many hurdles that we will need to overcome. But I am willing to take on that challenge. A call to action. I want to invite you to join me on this journey. Let's create a new political party together. Let's make a difference in our country. We can start small with online groups and discussions and gradually build momentum. We can use platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Meets, and Twitter X platform to connect with each other and discuss our ideas. Our goal is simple. It's bring about change in India. We want to create a country that's fair, just, and prosperous for all. We want to give the people a voice and ensure that their voices are here. We want to work together the development of our country and make sure that everyone has access to the opportunity they deserve. Sure, I know that this is just for beginning and there's a long way to go, but I'm excited about the possibilities. I'm excited about the potential for change and the impact we can make, and I hope you will join me on this journey. Dot. Let's do this. Let's create a new political party and bring about change in India. Let's work together to build a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in joining me on this journey, please comment below or send me a message. Let's get started.